This morning I'm going to be making a 3-ingredient Dollar Tree banana cake. If you want to add chocolate chips like I'm adding, it's 4-ingredient. If you want to add walnuts, it's 5 ingredients. But the basic mix is just 3 ingredients. My ingredients are box of yellow cake mix, a couple of defrosted bananas, two that I had in the freezer. They were going, so I put them in the freezer and took them out and defrosted them this morning. A can of 7-Up, and I'm going to be adding some of these Dollar Tree chocolate chips. Now, regarding the 7-Up, you can use any cola you want, actually any soft drink you want. I've used Coca-Cola with chocolate, and 7-Up is fine with this yellow cake mix. You can also use the lemon lime mix they have at Dollar Tree, any soda. All right, so let's get started. I just poured all of the ingredients into the bowl with the bananas, including the soda pop, and I'm going to start beating it with this little hand whisk. And that's it. I'm going to take the mixer out and add the chocolate chips. All right, these are the Dollar Tree semi-sweet baking morsels. They're about 6 ounces, a little short of a cup, but it's certainly enough for what we're trying to do here. I'm going to pour them in and then mix them in by hand with a spatula. You don't want to use the blender or anything for this because it will just destroy them. And when you're doing the first part of this, the dough, you can absolutely do this by hand, but you have to be really, I don't want to say careful, but very conscientious that you break up the bananas and have them fully incorporated into the mix. The last time I did this, I did not do that, and I had some chunks of banana. It wasn't a bad thing, but I prefer to have a really smooth batter without any chunks of anything, except chocolate chips. All right, that is done. Now, experience has taught me that this amount of cake mix will yield about 5 little mini loaves. So I'm going to get those mini loaf pans set up with a little bit of spray of canola oil in them, and I'll be right back and we'll start loading up our mini loaves. We have a glazed interior, and that combined with the spray on oil makes anything baked in here release real quick. I put 2 scoops, I think 2 or 3 scoops, and one more scoop in here. I've preheated the oven to 350 as per the instructions on the cake mix. I'm going to finish these up and put them in the oven. Well, here they are, beautiful and done. One of them has already been eaten into. A couple slices taken out. You can see as I get closer what a nice fluff that has and how nicely the chocolate chips are distributed. It's just a delicious recipe, and unbelievably only 3 ingredients. So there you have it, quick and easy and very cheap, and you can have all the ingredients basically without any refrigeration if you just don't have room for eggs or milk or any of the other things that conventional cake mixes call for. You don't need to make little mini loaves. I just make them because I like to make mini loaves. According to the box here of cake mix, you can make a 13 by 9 inch sheet cake, 2 8-inch rounds, 2 9-inch rounds, a bundt pan, or 24 cupcakes. So it's your call how you want to bake that. I personally just like the mini loaves. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed cooking it. Thank you so much.